In this video, I will present the ClioQuery text analytics tool, designed to help historians investigate occurrences of query words in documents. Abram Handler, Nargis Meyer, and Brendan O'Connor created ClioQuery by working with historians and studying their needs and practices. But in this video, Abram will just focus on demoing how ClioQuery works. You can find out much more about the motivations behind the ClioQuery system and the design process behind the tool in our paper, which is expected to appear in 2002 in the journal ACM Transactions on Intelligent Interactive Systems. Now I'm going to show you how ClioQuery works. ClioQuery is designed to help users quickly and comprehensively investigate occurrences of a query word in a corpus. In this example, ClioQuery has been loaded with a small demo corpus of 25 editorials from the New York Times, which contain the word Salvador, published between 1981 and 1985. I'm going to start off using the system by issuing a query for the word Army. ClioQuery presents my query results using three main components. The time series view shown at the top provides a visual overview of my query across time by displaying the frequency of the keyword Army in each year of the corpus. The document feed view shown at the bottom left shows a visual summary of the query word Army across the corpus in a visual format designed for skimming. And the document viewer component shown on the right-hand side shows occurrences of the query Army in context. I begin by moving the Filter by Count slider to select only those documents which contain 4 or more mentions of the word Army. In this case, I'm not interested in documents that casually mention the Army. I'm interested in documents that discuss the Army in depth. Notice that ClioQuery updates to show that in this case there are 3 documents which mention the Army 4 or more times. Very quickly expand these documents to review every single occurrence of the word Army. I'm going to go ahead and open one of these documents now. ClioQuery displays shortened sentences showing every single occurrence of the word Army in the document. These shortened sentences are created using text simplification techniques from natural language processing. In this case, ClioQuery is shortening sentences so that they fit within the document feed. I can quickly skim the shortened sentences to understand the use of the Army in this document. For instance, here I can see that there's discussion of a provincial Army commander. While designing ClioQuery, we learned that historians were distrustful of automatically generated summaries, like what you see on the left. So we included a linked document viewer, which shows snippets from the summary within the context of full-text documents on the right. The two components are linked, so that if you click the snippet on the left, it is immediately shown in the context of the document feed on the right-hand side, like this. The number of unread documents decreases each time I click Expand. The interface is currently showing 2 unread documents, but if I click to look at this document, the number of unread documents goes down to 1. This feature is because we found that historians prioritized comprehensive review of evidence in their research practice. ClioQuery is designed to support this by showing how much evidence a historian has reviewed so far. ClioQuery has other features which are described in detail in the paper, but those are the most important components of the system. Thanks so much for watching this demo.